Wanna know how to disable an extension in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created a video on how to download and install Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. So once you've done all of that, on the top you should be seeing view right here, so you can just simply select that. So now once you've selected view, here you should be seeing various options that you can choose from. Just simply select Explorer or extensions. So you can just simply directly open up extensions, and disabling your extension is super simple. So you can just simply make sure you under install extensions and just simply open up an extension that you want to disable. So once I've selected that, here you should be seeing disable right below on install, and once I've selected it, here it should be automatically disabled. Now in order to enable it again, just simply select enable and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.